Today topic of lecture net present value method. This is one of the method of capital budgeting. Net present value method means the net present value method is a process of calculating the present value of cash inflows and cash outflows of an investment proposal using the cost of capital or rate of return as the appropriate discount rate. It is called a net present value method. In this formula, net present value is equal to present value of cash flows minus project value. It is a formula of net present value. Present value of cash inflows you calculated based the information. Project value means cost of project. This also give the problem. For the example, consider the following two investments, alternative each costing 9 lakhs. The detail of cash inflows as follows. This is years project 1, project 2, cash flows. The cost of capital is 10% per year. Which project will you choosing under net present value method? This is the cost of capital or discount rate. This based you calculate the net present values every year, every project. This is problem. Solution. Net present value method project 1. This is table. Year cash inflows present value of 1 rupee at 10%. Present value. This is the second column and third column. You multiply this amount. First year cash inflows present year 3 lakhs. Second year 5 lakhs. Third year 6 lakhs. These all are give the problem already. You calculate this third column and second column. This third column is present value of rupee 1 at 10%. This value. This calculate based the table. Present value table. Present value table. This table. This is this table. This years. This first, second, third, fourth, 10, 1 by 1. This is also percentage. This line. Our problem is give the 10%. First year, this first year 10%. Next second year 10%, this column. Next third year 10%, this column. This is a present value table of 1 rupee. This side also years. This side discount. Discount rate is the give the problem. Our present problem is 10%. This base is the you present value 1 rupee. This table. This values. First year also 0.909. Second year 0.826. Third year 0.3, 0.751. This value is also the table. Next also present value. This amount is calculate second and third column multiply. This is equal to this. Second year 4,30,000. Third year 4,50,000. Next the total present value of cash inflows. These all are total. 11,30,300. Next you apply the formula. Net present value is equal formula. Net present value is equal this formula. Net present value is equal present value cash inflows minus project value. Project value means this project cost, this amount. Net present value is equal total present value of cash inflows minus project cost. This you calculate the total present value of cash inflows. 11,30,300. You project cost, give the problem 9 lakhs is equal 2,36,300. It is a net present value. First project you calculate the net present value is over. Same procedure follow to the second project. Net present value method project 2. This table year cash inflow present value rupees 1 at 10%. Present value this table. First year 6 lakhs, second year 4 lakhs, third year 3 lakhs. These two columns also give the problem. Next, third column is this based the table, present value table. 1 rupee. This table also, this table. This table. This is years 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years. This side also discount rate or cost of capital. The rate is give the problem. Our present problem, cost of capital or discount rate is 10%. This first year. This first year. Next, second year discount. Next, third year rate. This is all already you enter the base of the problem. These two columns. This is also based on the table. First year 0.901. Second year 0.86826. Next year 0.751. These all are values in the table, present value table. Next, present value, fourth column. Second and third columns you multiply. This multiply. 5,45,400. Next year this multiply. 3,30,400. Third column this multiply. 2,25,300. This. Next, you total, calculate the total present value of cash flows. These all are you add. Total is 11,01,100. Next, we apply the present value. Net present value is equal total present value cash inflows minus project cost. This also you calculated total present value of cash inflows. Next, project cost or investment. It is give the problem 9 lakhs. It is give the problem. This 9 lakhs. Is equal 2,36,300. It is net present value. This problem is over. Next method is internal rate of return method. This is one of the capital budgeting method. In this method, same to the net present value method. Steps for calculation of internal rate of return. It is called a IRR method also. First you have to calculate it 2 times net present value. In this, first you calculate the 2 times net present values, previous model. In this problem, calculated the 2 times net present values. One time we have to come positive of net present value. One time have to come positive of net present value. One time present value also positive. Another time we have to come negative of net present value. Next time you calculate the negative value. One time positive, next negative. Come to the net present value. Next, discount rate has to take approximate rates each time. In this problem, no give the discount rate or capital rate, capital cost rate. You take the approximately each time. In this problem, in this method, no give the discount rates in the problem. You take the approximately 2 times. One time you take positive values in the problem. Next time negative value in the problem, net present value. Formula for internal rate of return. Internal rate of return is equal to L plus P1 minus C by P1 minus P2 into 100. After you calculate the 2 times net present value, one time negative, another time positive. After apply to this formula. Internal rate of return is equal to L plus P1 minus C by P1 minus P2 into 100. L is equal to lower rate of discount. L is equal to lower rate of discount. You take the 2 times discount rates. That all are what is lower, that it is called a L. For the example, take the ones 10%, another 12%. In this also lower discount rate 10%. L is equal to 10%. Next, P1 is equal to present value at lower rate. P1 is equal to present value at lower rate. You calculate the 2 times net present value. P1 is equal to present value of lower rate. Next, P2 is equal to present value of at higher rate. You take the 2 times. One time is lower rate, another time is higher rate. Lower rate present value is equal is P1. Higher rate, discount rate, present value is equal P2. C is equal cash outlay or investment or cost of project. D is equal difference in rate of discount. D is equal difference of discount rates. Already you take the 2 times discount rates. That is different is called a D. For the example, take the one 10%, another time 12%. The 2 discount rates different is equal to 12 minus 10. It is called a D. This is the use of the formula calculation of IRR method. In this method, you have first you calculate the 2 times net present value. One time positive value, another time negative value comes. You take the discount rates approximately. After you apply this formula. Example problem. The following data you calculate internal rate of return. Cost of project 11,000. Cash inflows years. First year 6,000, second year 2,000, third year 1,000, fourth year 5,000. It is problem. Solution. Calculate at the next present value. This is no give the discount rate or cost of capital percentage. You take the approximately. First you calculate the net present value. This table. Year cash inflow project value of rupees 1 at 10%. Present value this. First and second column give the problem years cash inflows. Third column you base the net present value table 1 rupee. This enter. Table also net present table. Net present value table. This is table. Years, this years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These all are years. This side also. This side discount rate. Discount rate. This 10%. First year 10%. Second year 10%. Fourth year, third year 10%. Fourth year 10%. You take the amount. This call. Base the this table. This table. This first year 0.909. 10%. Second column 0.826. Third year 0.751. Fourth year 0.683. This. Next column, calculate, multiply second and third columns. This second column and third column, multiply. First year 5,454. Third year 1,652. Fourth year, third year 750. Fourth year 3,415. This second column and third column multiply is equal to 3,450. This. Next, you total present values. Total present values cash inflows 11,272. Next, we calculate the net present value. Net present value is equal to formula total present cash inflows minus project cost. Total present cash inflows, you calculate this amount 11,272. Project cost, give the problem. Project cost. Project cost, give the problem. This project cost. Cost of project. This is equal to net present value 272. It is a positive value. Positive value. Next, you calculate the negative value. You negative value also, you take the discount rate decrease. You get the negative value. Come to the negative value. In this, take the 12%. Percentage also increase discount rate. You negative values. Year cash flows present value of rupee 12% present value. This already give the problem. First and second column. First year 6,000, second year 12,000, third year 1,000, fourth year 5,000. This column also based on the table. Present value 1 rupee table. This table. Table. This is table. This side also years, this side percentage. Or year first year percentage is problem, discount 12%. Take the 12%. 12. First year, second year, third year, fourth year 12%. These all figures enter the based the present value table 12%. First year 0.893, second year 0.793, third year 0.713, fourth year 0.636, this column. Next column you multiply second and third columns. This. First year 6000 multiply 0.893 is equal to. Next year 2000 multiply 0.797, this. Next column 1000 multiply 0.712. Next year 5000 multiply 0.636, this. Next you calculate the total. This amount is total present cash inflows 10,844. Next present value formula. Next present value is equal total present cash inflows minus project cost. Total present cash inflows, you calculated this amount 10,844 minus project cost. Give the problem. Project cost. Give the problem. This amount is equal this amount 11,000 is equal minus 156. It is a negative value. You calculate the two times net present value. One have positive value, second have negative value. First also 272 positive value. Next one is 156 positive negative value. Next you apply to the formula. Calculated internal rate of return. Internal rate of return is equal L plus P1 minus C by P1 minus P2 into D. L is equal 10. Lowest discount rate. P1 is equal lowest discount rate present value. C is equal project value. PT is equal highest value present value. Highest discount rate present value. Highest value. This. D is equal difference. Discount rates different. First time you take the 10%. This. Next time this. Two discount rates difference. 12 minus 10 is equal 2. Is equal to. Next P1 is equal this. P1 is equal lowest discount rate present value. This. lowest discount. P2 is equal to highest discount to present value. L is equal to lowest value. These two values discount 10% to 12%. This is lowest. Next we apply to the all values in formula. Internal rate of return is equal to 10 plus 11,272 minus 11,000 by 11,272 minus 10,844 into 2 is equal to 10 plus 272, this less 11,272 minus 11,000 is equal to 272 by 428, this less 11,272 minus 10,844 is equal to 428 into 2. Next one is 10 plus 0.635 into 2 is equal to 10 plus 1.27 is equal to 11.27. This formula problem is over. Thank you.